if you guys are struggling like I have been to put on new shackle kits with polyurethane bushings into these old pivot joints that are extremely rusted in there and very hard to get out, this was my method. They got some nice polyurethane fittings on there. It'll go in there. These are 7/8 inch outer diameters, and your actual bracket is a 7/8 inner diameter. So the inside bushing is usually pretty easy to get out. It's that outside one that you got to press out of there, but oftentimes is completely rusted in. That's the difficult one. Here was my method that I took care of it with after lots of trial and error. I burn out the middle rubber piece. That just falls out. And then I step drill that outer bushing to a 7/8 inch step drill. So this, the widest diameter of this is a 7/8 inch, which fits perfectly in there. So let's go ahead and do this. This first heat cycle will just melt that rubber. You can just burn the rest of that rubber right out of there. Then we're going to use a 7/8 inch. To just drill that out of there. Then use a little sanding barrel sander, 7/8 inch. Smooth that out a little bit. I add a little copper anti-seize, just so me or a future gent doesn't have this problem anymore. And then your bushing, then your brass. A little on your brass bushing. Send it. There you go. Polyurethane. Bushing is easy to get in that way.